how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day net profit with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, we're not talking about only TikTok shop, but TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank, okay? And TikTok ads, paid traffic, and organic free traffic. I'm going to review to you exactly how you can do it and duplicate it in 2025. Okay, so let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, those are the results past month with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now let me show how this works. Let me go to TikTok. And you can see over here, in the last 28 days, I had 3.5 million video views. Now imagine that. I know that every guru is telling to you online, on YouTube, to get traffic. Yes, but what is traffic? Traffic are people just like me and you watching this video right now. We are humans. We're not AI robots, okay? So in 2025, if you want to duplicate this system and have really great proven results, you can see what is the name of the game. It's engagement. Yes, it's very important, the content that you are posting online. Now, you don't have to show your face, okay? You don't have to do that. But what is really important is the strategy behind the ads, all right? You can see I had 32,000 comments. Imagine that. 32,000 comments. Imagine if you're in self-help space, anxiety, mental health, hair loss, skincare, diabetes. Those are the people who are engaging with your content. It means it works really well. Imagine if you have 32,000 people commenting good stuff about you, about your product, about your niche, okay? Your content. You can see over here, look, let me go over here. I had 6.9 thousand shares. This is free referrals. It's free traffic. Imagine 6,000 people sharing button. It means they like you or they engage with your content, right? So, do you think that out of 7,000 shares, I got some sales? Of course. That's why the numbers are in 6 figures monthly, okay? And this is what is important. You don't have to have millions of views, but I'm showing you what is possible. Look, let me show over here. In the last 60 days, I had 4.7 million video views. Okay, very great. Look, 46,000 comments, 7,900 shares, 60,000 profile views, let's say over here, right? So all this matters because in 2025, people are sick and tired of being sold some products that doesn't help them solve their pains and problems. And if you have the good engagement, first of all, you can retarget the people. You can see over here, look, 500, 500,000 likes. Imagine that. It shows TikTok, this guy, this content is doing well. So let's share it to more people for free. Yes, maybe you can pay $10 to $20 a day on TikTok ads. And if your content, once you work with me one-on-one, once like other students, when they work with me one-on-one over the Zoom call, and I'll show you exactly how to do this strategy, it works really well. It's work magic. Because people love to go on TikTok shop to buy products. You know that. I know. Don't believe me, go and Google it. E-commerce, it's going up. People don't go to the local stores anymore. They go on TikTok shop to buy products. So they're used to buying online on TikTok. Okay, it's not a new behavior. You're not forcing them, hey, go on TikTok. As you know, go and research. In 2025, Amazon shop and TikTok are merging together. Okay, so Amazon and TikTok are going to work together. So you can see how much money you can make and leverage if you're smart and take advantage, especially before Christmas. Okay, Christmas and New Year, when people are making New Year resolutions, manifestation niche, self-help, numerology, all this astrology, weight loss, it works really, really well. Okay, let me show you over here. On ClickBank, you can see, you go here and choose the products you want to promote. And you can see the average order value, how much you can make, more than $150 per sale, 107 people making money every single day with this dental offer. And there are also upsells, so you can make more money, passive income, over and over, recurring commissions, sustainable income in 2025 and 2024, right now, the last month, if you take advantage of this moment. Now you can connect with me later over here on my Instagram. So you can see this is my Instagram. You can connect with me, you can follow me, DM me, ask me any questions you want regarding making money online, affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not posting, I'm just showing you what is possible once you take affiliate marketing very seriously. See, all this traveling all around the world every single month is thanks to affiliate marketing, being a super affiliate, okay? But you do need to have someone who help you one-on-one, step by step, because there is always some missing puzzle when you're buying these $2,500 or $3,500 courses online, right? There's not someone who's going to help you and show exactly the way of how this is done. Okay, so let's go straight into it now. Here, okay, you can see those are the students making really great income with ClickBank affiliate marketing, also other networks. What we get done together, as you can see, I connect with my students one-on-one, on camera, over the WhatsApp call as well. But only if you're serious, if you really want to change your life, if you really want to make extra money, you see, this is what is missing. 5 stages of awareness. When you're building blog or pre-sale page or landing page, we are pre-selling to people. We're not selling them. Attention span is very short right now. Okay? So if you know what you're doing and you have someone who can show you fundamentals of functional, deep marketing, then you will be able to have these really great results. It's not a rocket science. Okay, so if you want to get results, let me know. You see people just like you making money. How much you have to spend? If, for example, $50 a day on TikTok ads or Google ads, you see conversions, let's say 5% conversion, it means 2 sales. You're making $250 profit a day. Spending how much? Spending only $50 a day, making $250 back. You see how this works, right? Once you have someone who can help you and guide you along the way. So as you watch this video right now, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Below is my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, email, and WhatsApp number. But only reach out to me if you're serious. If you really want to change your life or get side income, I mean sustainable income online, passive income online is possible. But you need to have someone to help you. Because it's like I'm giving you the, putting you into the airplane and telling you to take off. Without knowing what to do, where to press, you're going to crash. It's going to be a disaster. I'm sure you experienced that you bought some courses and it didn't work out. Because courses are, in my opinion, watered down versions of the knowledge that can be really applied and making really great skill set and become really great marketer online. Spending 20 minutes to 40 minutes a day to make $500 to $1,000 in a day. I'm talking every day, okay? Sustainable income, not gambling income where you don't know what you're doing, where you're stressed out about your ad account getting shut down, or agency ad accounts, or whatnot. Okay? I'm talking about stress-free life when you're working maximum 1 hour per day, 40 minutes a day, and have, I don't know, $350, $600 a day in profit as a side income, or maybe full-time income. Whatever your goal is, let me know, but only if you're serious, okay? Again, thank you for watching this video.